I think it's super important to know what is happening in the world, what kind of shifts are happening.
So the minor is called Minor Trends and Future Research. You learn how to explore and look for new trends, but also explore what the future might look like. And we always explore multiple futures and help you to strategize for a specific business. You as a student will learn how to think about the future, and also when you start working for a business, make sure that they can adapt to changing times.
The future is ahead of you. To be ahead of that, you have to have a certain way of thinking, and if it clicks, you can be like the trend watcher to be ahead of a certain curve. Part of the minor is very diverse. You have group projects, you have individual assignments, field trips, you have theory, and then besides that, a teacher gives you time to work on your group project or your individual assignment.
We need to travel, we need to go to exhibitions, we need to talk to people, we need to learn about ourselves. We're learning by just talking about politics, talking about exhibitions. We're learning by traveling. It's amazing, right?
The mix of students is very broad. You have people from Australia, people from Norway, people from Spain. They have a lot of different visions. It's cool to combine them.
Future is something that's happening with us right now. So if you want to know your future, you need to look at yourself, what are you doing now? And what are people around doing now? So this minor is really nice to know about your life more and about yourself more.